Meet the ultimate cleaning champions, the Ocelot 400 and the Ocelot 400 Plus. These innovative oscillating machines are designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges. Manufactured in the UK, the oscillating duo delivers transformative results, making floors cleaner than customers ever thought possible. Providing deep edge-to-edge cleaning action by applying 3,000 rounds of 7mm cleaning agitation per minute. The quicker revolutions allow operatives to make light work of cleaning their floors. To ensure safety when operating the Ocelots, a lever and switch are used simultaneously and you're ready to go. You don't even need chemicals for a great result. You can add a neutral cleaning agent if desired, or just add water. The Ocelot 400 Plus provides all the great features of the Ocelot, but with the added benefit of vacummation. This feature is designed to pick up water and deposit into the recovery tank. Perfect if you're looking to add a little extra moisture. If you're looking for a machine that will save you time, money and energy, the Ocelot 400 and the Ocelot 400 Plus can do all that. The intensity of clean means you'll never have to cover an area more than once. But if you have a lot of space and the 2 hours of battery life doesn't cover it, simply swap your battery and you're ready to go again. These machines can be used across a variety of floor types. Victor supplies a range of floor pads, microfiber for general and maintenance cleaning, texture and grout for textured floors and grout lines, and melamine for deep cleaning. Maximising versatility, the Ocelots were designed with the user in mind, featuring intuitive functionality that can be used by anyone with basic training. The ergonomic design of the Ocelots enable users to fully adjust the machine height, ensuring comfort and preventing any injury. So if you're ready to revolutionise your cleaning routine and achieve an extraordinary level of cleanliness for your floors with simple operation, deeper edge-to-edge cleaning and reduced chemical use, contact us today for more information.